Hello explorers, welcome to Fast and Curious. Today we're doing Unit 1, Distance versus Displacement. But you may be wondering, what is Fast and Curious? Well, we're a YouTube channel that's here to help you learn physics in a quick and easy way, in a simple way. That's why we have my good friend Lighty McQueen right here, saying good shout because he's excited about physics. And let's get straight to it, alright? Let's say Lighty McQueen is at the starting line at this racetrack. And he travels over here and he stops right there, alright? He moved 5 feet. That's how far he went. Which means his distance, which is represented by the letter X, is equal to 5 feet. Wow, okay? But then he decides to go back 10 feet. Okay? And he ends right here. So his displacement is the total distance from the origin point. If he went 5 feet this way and 10 feet this way, that means he went 5 feet here and 5 feet here, which means his total distance from the starting point would be 5 feet to the left. And displacement is represented by S. We have 5 feet. But he went to the left, and we are going to represent right as positive and the left as negative. So that means he went negative 5 feet as his displacement. Okay? Now, say Lighty McQueen decided to go around the racetrack and stop right down here. He went 30 feet. That means his total distance is 30 feet. But what is his displacement? Well, this is the origin point. This is where he stopped. So he went down from the origin point, even though he stopped at the same place horizontally. He went down 10 feet. And we represent up as positive and down as negative. So his displacement is negative 10 feet. Crazy. Now, I'm going to give you guys some example problems, some practice problems, to see if you guys actually understood what I was saying. So, say we got my good friend Bob right here, and he went this way 10 feet. But he decided to go back here 8 feet. That means his distance will be 10 plus 8, which is 18 feet. Now tell me, what is his displacement? Well, he goes 10 feet to the right, which is positive, 8 feet to the left, which is negative, so we do 10 minus 8, which is 2 feet as his displacement. So S equals 2 feet. Let's try another one. Say we got Jeff right here. This is Jeff. He goes 12 feet this way. But then he decides to go back 8 feet. And then he decides to go this way 14 feet from there. What is his distance? Well, just add them together. Now X equals 12 plus 8 plus 14, which is 34 feet as his distance. Well, what is his displacement? Well, he went 12 feet to the right, so that's positive. He went 8 feet to the left, which is negative. And he went 14 feet to the right, again, which is positive. So we got 12 minus 8 plus 14, which equals 18 feet as his displacement. So I hope you guys learned how to do distance versus displacement. The reason we're teaching you displacement is for another video in the future. So look out for kinematics. We'll be using this little guy, this S. And we'll see you in the next one. Stay curious. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.